I don't care if it rains or freezes as long as I got my plastic Jesus glued up on the dashboard of my car. Any of you guys out there remember Don Imus in the morning? WABC, New York, drive time back in the day? Shit. Anybody remember New York? Oh, anyway. Is it a mail call if you actually buy something? I got a big Vavor or whatever, Ultrasonic in the garage. Gonna screw up my foot again. Gotta run out there every time I boil something, so got me a baby. Another brand. Let's give this puppy a try. Something a little smaller. That'll just do fat locks. It's actually, what the fuck is that? I mean, what the hell? I guess that's a pretty. Better looking. Ugh, hang on here. It's an unboxing. Usual cheap shit. Don't overcook. Wow. Let's put this one aside for a moment. Basket's definitely a lot heavier gauge than the Vavors. Damn, really a lot heavier. Wow. Heavier gauge too. So is this. Well, what actually made me decide to get a different model is the steam gauges are gone. Sorry. The analog dials are gone, and digital. I know it's an argument what's better, but I'll take my chances with these for the moment. Not my favorite configuration, but well, doesn't smell cooked yet, and the lacquer's dry, so it's not that brand new. Well, we'll play with it a little bit and let you know. Wish the handles were like this on the big one outside. Well, I hate to tell you this, but this seems like it's a lot heavier gauge than my big puppy outside. But we will play with it. Sorry, you guys want to see too, don't you? We will play with it and let you know. You don't want to see my ugly face, do you? What the outcome is. And it's not a Chinglish manual either. How about that? Okay, everybody go out and kill a turkey, and we'll play with this and get some more videos going. Happy Turkey Day. Everybody stay safe, and don't do anything illegal. Later.